hit it like this. And just ride it. Right in there.
Right burn my face.
Put your hands out in front of you and catch it.
I did.
But you thrusted. You put your hands out and grab carpet and
You put your hands out and grabbed some carpet.
So how far back do I run?
As far as you want.
As far as you want. Steven.
I did that good.
Oh, get her through your box too.
What box?
Ready to slide down the stairs?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like good times.
Why am I breathing so hard?
The first things we did when we moved in here was slide down the stairs.
Did you hit the door?
Stop right here.
Are you okay?